Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can tell, we're in this beautiful scenic spot with both the Preludes. We got David here helping me film today. We were just out and about taking some photos of the Preludes and bringing them out on this nice water spot, you know, sunset vibes, trying to get some cool shots. And I figured a company by the name of Hydrosilex sent me a product of theirs to test out. And I want to show you guys this today because, like I said, what better time than this primo sunset to throw what they have is a ceramic coat wipe kit that basically ceramic coats your entire car with one kit. And like, I'm not even joking, it's two wipes. You do one called a rewind, which basically takes off all the contaminants off the paint and oils and waxes and all that stuff. And then you have the recharge kit, which is actually the ceramic coating, and it's all just an easy wipe on, wipe off method. Before we drop these on the car, we gotta clean up this Prelude because there's some topical grime on the paint and we don't want to seal that all in with the ceramic coat underneath it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the IK9 to clean up this thing real quick, but stay tuned, guys, because if you're impressed by this product, I got something for you at the end of this video. And after a little bit of TLC, the Prelude is looking super clean and ready for this ceramic coat. I was gonna wait until the end of the video to tell you guys about this, but may as well shed some light right now. From now until October 13th, you guys are able to go over to hydrosilex.com and pick yourself up your own kit. It's good enough for one car, any size really. This is probably too much for this tiny little coupe, but we're gonna get it done. But right now, guys, until October 13th, you can go head over to hydrosilex.com for your free kit. Just type in promo code ElevatedMedia at checkout and just pay for shipping and you got yourself a free ceramic coat. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and start the ceramic coating process. Like I said, Hydrosilex sends you two wipes. The first one is gonna rewind your paint. It's gonna take off all those contaminants. The second one, called recharge, is what's gonna actually be applying the ceramic coat. So we're gonna start with the rewind as well as a clean microfiber towel. And we're gonna go panel by panel and just hit the entire car and wipe any excess off with the clean microfiber. I'm just basically, like I said, going panel by panel, making sure I'm getting full coverage on this. I'm doing everything. You guys can do everything from the glass, the paint, all the plastic trim. This ceramic coat is good for all of it. All right, guys, so we just finished up with the rewind. As you can tell, the cloth is actually still pretty clean, which is a good sign that we actually did a decent job cleaning the car beforehand. So now we can move on to step 2, which is actually gonna be applying the ceramic coat. This is what they call the recharge stage. Basically gonna apply this the same way we just applied the last one. It comes in this nice little damp wipe. Essentially, you can unfold it if you choose. I find that if I do a panel with it all wadded up like this, then I can easily just flip it and get a fresh surface. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Same way, just work my way around the entire car, doing every panel, pretty much every surface, all the plastic trim, the glass, the paint, everything's getting ceramic coated. So guys, we are like 10 minutes into this entire job and the car is ceramic coated now. What we want to do is take another clean microfiber and we're basically going to go around the car and just wipe off any excess, any streaking that you see, just kind of buff that out as you would any other wax, anything along those lines. We're just going to give it a nice light buff and polish out the car. And outside of that, guys, this again took me about 10 minutes to do both steps all around the car. It's a 2-door coupe, so it is pretty small. I will say you want to work fairly quickly with those wipes as they did start to dry out. Right now it's got to be like 70 degrees, not too humid, so if you were working in hotter weather, that wipe may dry out faster, but again, just do the whole car with a little bit of haste and you shouldn't have any issue getting the whole thing ceramic coated. Thank you so much to Hydrosilex for sending this out. I'm going to be testing this over the next few weeks as it rains, as it gets hit with weather and all that stuff, and see how easy it is to actually rinse this thing off and get all the dirt and grime off. I'm thinking right off the bat from just pouring water on that this stuff is going to perform really amazing. So I'll keep you guys posted as time goes on. Maybe a few weeks we'll make a follow-up video, but so far Hydrosilex, this product is just awesome, and the fact that you can do it in 10 minutes really anywhere you want to, I mean, you can't beat that.